Welcome to Asher's Learning Adventures. And today we're doing shapes. And we have the shapes hidden all over the beach in little castles. And we're gonna find the shapes that are hidden in surprise eggs. Are you ready to find the surprise eggs all around the beach?
Yeah!
But first, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.
Woo!
Let's go!
Oh, yes, smash!
Whoa, let's see, what is that? Smash it!
Oh, there's a yellow egg!
There's a yellow egg in there?
Yeah!
Let's see. Whoa, we have one surprise yellow egg in there. Grab it, put it in the bag.
Oh, there's another one with smash it!
Get it. Smash it.
I see a green egg!
A green egg?
Yeah!
Take it out. Let's see. Pull it out. Whoa, one big green egg.
No! Oh, there's a smash!
Let's go.
Oh, there's a pink egg of smash it!
What do we have? A pink egg? Whoa, a big pink surprise egg. Oh, put it in there. Close it. Put it in the bag.
No, there's another one!
There's another one?
Yeah, we smashed!
Where? Let's go.
Whoa! Over
There's a sandcastle.
Smash it!
Smash it. Let's see what we find.
Blue egg!
There's a blue egg. I don't see it. Put it out. Smash it. Let's go. Whoa, a blue egg.
A blue egg!
Whoa, throw it in the bag.
Oh! There's another one to smash it!
There's another one. Where? Where?
Over there!
Oh, whoa, let's go.
Smash it! Ice cream powers.
Whoa, smash it.
On the green one!
A green egg? I don't see it. Where is it?
Over there!
Okay, put it out. A green egg. Put it in the bag. Just put it right there. Let's go. What else? Is there more?
Yeah, we did it!
Whoa. There's more over there. Let's go. Let's find it.
Smash it!
Let's go. Run.
Smash it! Oh, there's a purple egg!
There's a purple egg.
Yeah!
Whoa, a purple egg. Put it in the bag. Yeah.
There's another one to smash it!
Let's go.
Pineapple. Sweet powers.
It's over here. What is this? What is in there? I think there's something in there.
A hexagon.
Whoa. Oh my God. There is the big castle. Let's run to the big castle. Go, go, go. Whoa, the big castle.
Smash it!
What is that?
That's a castle!
Oh, smash it. Oh, I don't think there's in there. It's nothing in there. Where could it be? Where could it be?
That's a green one!
Where is it? Pick it up. Whoa, what is that? Let me see.
That's a square!
Where? Put it out. I didn't see it.
I see.
Let me see it. Let me see the square. that you found?
I found it.
Whoa, you found a last square and a bunch of eggs. Whoa, are you ready to find out what we have in the surprise eggs?
Yeah.
Let me see. Whoa, let's clean them up. Whoa, so we found all the surprise eggs, and now we're gonna see what's inside the eggs, and we're gonna see what shapes we get inside the eggs, and we're gonna put them there. Are you ready?
Yeah.
What do you have there? Pick one. Ooh, what is that? Is that a pink egg?
Yeah, what's inside?
What's inside? What?
That's a tree.
Let me see. Let me see the triangle. Whoa, where does it go?
Right there.
Whoa, the triangle goes right there. Pick another egg.
It's a green egg.
Let me see. Let me see. Whoa.
There's a circle.
Let me see the circle. Whoa, you found the circle?
Here.
It goes right there?
Yeah.
Whoa, circle.
Now need a diamond.
Whoa, let me see. What else we have? Pick another egg. What is that?
A blue egg.
A blue egg? What surprise do we have in there? A heart? Let me see the heart. Let me see it.
Here.
Oh, where does it go?
Here.
Whoa, right there? Whoa, we got a heart.
Now we need to open the yellow one.
What's that? A yellow egg? What we have in there?
A pentagon.
A pentagon? Let me see the pentagon. Whoa, and what color is it?
Blue.
Whoa, a blue pentagon.
Now need a pink.
Whoa, a blue pentagon. Cool. What do we have there?
I didn't know.
That's a hexagon.
Hexagon.
What color is it?
Pink.
Oh, where does it go?
Here.
Whoa.
No.
Pink hexagon.
Now need a diamond.
Let's see. What do we have? Pick another egg.
Another green egg.
Oh, what is that? Let me see. Let me see. Show it to me.
A purple star.
A purple star. Where does it go?
Here.
Whoa, a purple star.
Now need a square.
Whoa, we need to find the square.
Here.
It's in there?
Yeah.
Whoa, what is that?
Orange.
Orange square.
And now need a diamond.
Whoa, let's see. It has to be in there. What is that?
And that's a purple egg, and now the diamond's in there.
The diamond is in there, are you sure?
Yeah, the diamond is in there.
Let's see, open it up.
Yes.
Whoa,
Diamond.
whoa, what color is it?
Green and diamond.
What color is it?
Green diamond.
Green diamond, yeah. Where does it go?
Here.
Whoa, green diamond. We got all the shapes. We got heart. We got a square. We got a circle. We got a diamond. We got a triangle. We got a pentagon. We got a star. And we got a hexagon. Yeah!
We found all the extra prizes.
You found all the egg surprises?
Yeah. Guess this one. A triangle. Guess this one. A heart. Guess this one. A star. Guess this one. A diamond. Guess this one. A circle. Guess this one. A hexagon. Guess this one. A square. Guess this one. A pentagon.
This shape is a triangle.
finish line ahead. Ice cream powers. Trophy award. Woohoo!